Hey guys, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine and everyone are doing good in your life also. And today I am also fine by the grace of God. And this is my day 14 English practice challenging video. And you are watching English Boost Biswajit YouTube channel. And if you are new here, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for getting like that English practice video. So guys, today I came with a new another English practice video. And today just I want to improve my English speaking. So let's start my video. And today I'm really happy to share my experience about learning English. How was my experience? So I'm really excited for it. So guys, if you are new here, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for getting like that video. So let's start my video. So guys, first of all, I was so happy, and also I was so scared because when I started to learn English, that time I was feeling so nervous, so unconfident. I was unable to speak front of camera. So then and there I was practicing a lot, and I used to practice a lot in my before time, and nowadays I can speak in English very nicely and little bit good. So you can judge my English. I do sometime mistake, but sometime I do every sentences correctly, and correctly I say my sentences, correctly I do my sentences. So like that how I improve my English, and I'm really happy because nowadays I can speak in an English very nicely front of you, front of anyone. I can communicate with people very nicely. That's why I'm really excited and really happy. So like that how I want to improve my English, and please support me, and thank you for watching my full video and other videos also. So goodbye, have a nice day. Let's meet with you in my new day English challenging video, English speaking challenging video. So it was my uh, day 14 English challenging video. So guys, here I am wrapping my video. Goodbye, have a nice day. Let's meet with you in my new another video.